Finalizing product is an extremely important part of production process. However, it's hard, unergonomic, and product is easy to be damaged. How to add value to the final product? How to make greater product from the one you already have? We'll briefly talk about traditional finalizing procedures and then step into the future with our new panel repairing products and technologies. Last but not the least part of plywood or any other panel production is finalizing, when we meet the requirements of the end customer. Panel handling can be done with any wood material. On panel handling, we make sure that our product has required quality and meet customer needs. A lot of work is already done, and all that work can be for nothing if product is not finalized to its full commercial potential. There are various phases in panel handling. We have panel repairing, when we fix defects in order to get the smooth surface of the final product. We have panel trimming, when we saw plywood to the exact size with the superior accuracy. We have panel sanding, when we achieve thickness tolerance. We have panel overlaying, when we reach different objectives of the end use. There is a edge painting, when we try to reduce moisture penetration inside the panel and make it more waterproof. And finally, there is packaging, when we pack final product in order to bring it to the end customer without any damage. Well, plywood got out of the hot press. What are we doing next? Firstly, of course, we bring it to trimming and saw it to the right size. We bring it to sanding, then sorting, and only then packaging. We'll get some standard product that everyone else make. But if surface is not good enough, we'll get a lot of downgraded panels, because any defect on the surface of plywood would be seen on film after the process would be finished. Do you need all these low quality, downgraded and cheap panels at the very end of the production process? I think you don't. And that's why you need panel repairing. You fix defects and upgrade surface quality of your final product. Well, what is panel repairing? On panel repairing, we fix defects that were missed during the main production process or that appear during production process. There are some defects that you cannot deal with before the panel is ready. Plywood is nearly finished, it's heavy and big, and this process is hard to deal with by hand. That's why Raute developed automatic solutions of panel repairing. They prove that automatic panel repairing is more cost efficient and quality stable. Benefits of industrial panel repairing are significant for developed and emerging markets as well. Firstly, you can get uniform quality of your product. It leads to less reclamations and more customer satisfaction. Also, advanced materials can be used. Data-driven industrial panel repairing allows you to decrease over-repairing, and it means that you will use less repairing material, and it just saves you money. Industrial panel repairing lines require less labor. In optimal cases, only one person can cover the whole production process. Industrial panel repairing enhances employee safety and work ergonomy. You can get data about your final product and then use it in lean management of your mill. And you can simply get more repaired panels from the same amount of space than for manual panel repairing. Raute has developed two new solutions with different capacity. Both of these solutions make uniform quality on 24/7 basis. We have R5 panel repairing stations and R7 repairing lines. Both of these solutions are based on recent improvements in machine vision capabilities and high-speed motion control. These solutions lead to breakthrough in quality, capability, and reduce the amount of used repairing material. A repairing process is the following. Camera detects defects and then a line fixes these defects. And that's it. Panel is ready with the best quality you can get. We are especially excited about our R5 panel repairing stations. we've discovered that there is a need of compact and fast to assemble solution in the market. And we've designed such solution. Our 5 repairing stations have one of the best payback rates in the market. You can get your money back in less than a year in optimal case. It is easy to get the line into work on plug-and-play principle. Repair defects in stack, but not panel by panel. It leads to significant reduce of required space. You need only 8 to 10 meters for the line and no foundation is required, so you can put it nearly anywhere. Only 1 employee is needed to operate the line.